Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best video doorbells available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Ring Video Doorbell. This bundle includes Ring Video Doorbell Wired and Ring Chime 1080p HD Wired Video Doorbell. It comes with two-way talk, advanced motion detection, standard 2.4 GHz connectivity and customizable privacy settings. You can get real-time notifications sent straight to your phone, Alexa device, or Ring Chime so you'll always know when someone stops by. Its advanced motion detection helps you know when someone's at your front door before they ring your doorbell. At number 6 we have Ramo Plus Video Doorbell. It is powered by existing doorbell wiring and provides 24/7 surveillance of all front door activity. You have streams all your live videos in high-quality HD with 180 degrees wide angle. An infrared vision dwarping option available for live view. It allows you to select areas of interest and sends instant alerts on your smart device when motion is detected in your video doorbell's view. At number 5 we have Arlo Video Doorbell. You can see more at your door. See a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with 180 degrees view. You can get a clearer picture with detailed HD with HDR video, ensuring you can see even in low light or bright conditions. You can connect directly to Wi-Fi without the clutter of extra gear. It has wire-free and weather-resistant to deliver fast, easy installation and flexibility to get the perfect camera view. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free is weather-resistant and delivers fast. At number 4 we have Kamip Video Doorbell. The Kamip doorbell camera has a 166 degrees wide-angle lens and 120 degrees human detection range. That's providing the best angle of view and motion detection performance. You can use the mobile app to talk to the person who rings the doorbell in real time, or a pre-recorded 30-second voice message to quickly respond for easy convenience. At number 3 we have Ring Video. You can get notified in real time when visitors press your doorbell or trigger the built-in motion sensors. You can adjust motion settings to filter out motion on a busy street or at a neighbor's house, and receive only the alerts you care about most. You can receive real-time notifications on your phone and tablet. You can get real-time video and audio with the live view button control and customize important security settings. Save and share videos, photos with an optional Ring Protect plan. At number 2 we have Corner Video Doorbell. You can tilt your Video Doorbell 3 Plus, or Ring Video Doorbell 4 towards your walkway for improved motion detection and a better view of visitors. It comes with two stackable mounts to increase the angle by 15 degrees or 30 degrees. You can paint the mounts to match your home or your Ring Video Doorbell 3, Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus or Ring Video Doorbell 4. At number 1 we have Kamip Video Doorbell. This wireless doorbell camera takes less than 5 minutes to set up without having to use any complicated tools. Its video doorbell camera offers you crystal clear images and video recordings. Its built-in IR lights permit you to see clearly even in darkness. Its intelligent IR cut automatically sense the ambient light and switch to night vision mode. You could also see out of sight corners with 166 degrees wide angle. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best video doorbells for your need.